Hello guys, let's see how to create a minimal API in a single C# file. So I'll go ahead and create mine. I'll name it app.cs. Let's quickly check the Explorer. Great, so we have the app.cs here. Let's collapse it. Now we need an SDK, and the SDK that we'll be using is Microsoft.NET.SDK.web. So this is the SDK we use. Let's go ahead and install a package that is going to provide us a built-in support for generating OpenAPI documents. So the name of the package is Microsoft.AspNetCore.OpenApi, and the version we are going to use is the latest stable version, which is 9.0.6. Great. So now that we have this, let's go ahead and create our builder. So using the web application and a method called createBuilder, we pass in the ask for now. This is going to create our builder with the default settings that comes with minimal APIs. We can go ahead and add our Open API service to the service collection. So builder.services.add Open API. Great. So now let's go ahead and create our application by running builder.build. So this is going to create our web application. Let's go ahead and register or map our Open API service. So app.map Open API endpoint. Now let's go ahead and create one more endpoint, which is like an entry endpoint to our backend. For now, we are just going to return OK and a hello world. So we use results.oak and then hello world. Great. So now let's run our app, and it's going to listen on the default port 5000. Great. This is fine. Let's go back to our terminal. To run this, we need a command .NET run and the name of our file. Behind the scenes, the SDK will be retrieved, the package that we have will be installed, and then our application will be created, and then it will be run successfully. Let's go ahead. Thanks, it's running now. Let's check this out. Okay, so we have our browser here, and then we have hello world. So let's go ahead and check our documentation. So for now, we are going to use the default endpoint that comes from this package. So it's going to be Open API version 1.json. Alright, if you are not used to this, you can explicitly set the path. So you can do that here by calling this API documentation or any path that you want to name it. Let's go ahead. Let's stop. Let's rerun the app again. Great. So let's go back to the browser. Instead of this, we then go with API/documentation. Looks good. Great. Now let's go back here. Assuming we are done and we want to convert this single file to a project, we can go ahead and use the command .NET project. Pro tip, you can pass in the -h flag, which is also help to see the commands and options that you can use together with or in combination with this command. Let's go ahead and use the convert and then the name of the file. This is going to convert a file-based program to a project-based program. So let's do that. .NET project convert and then the name of the file. So this is going to convert this single file to a project. Let's bring up the Explorer so that we'll see what happens. Great. So this has been done real quick. So we have our app.cs proj here. And then we have our app.cs, which is the entry point of our application, which and also contains the top level statement. So guys, this is basically how to convert a single C# minimal API file to a project.